Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, whereby beta-carotene will help us give our skin a warm glow, and also it will help us improve the skin texture and health, but also improve our eyesight. Antioxidants and minerals present in avocado are known to remove the dead skin cells, unclog pores, and exfoliate the skin. It will also help us protect our skin from sun damage. Ingredient, we are going to be using egg yolk. Egg yolk is rich in vitamin A and proteins which nourish the skin. The nutrients in egg yolk work to hydrate, nourish, and moisturize dull skin, leaving your skin soft and supple. This will help us lighten our dark spots. Lemons are also antibacterial. Their juice may also help us fight acne and acne breakouts. Honey is naturally soothing and has healing properties, and the enzymes work as exfoliators, sloughing off dead skin cells and leaving you with a radiant look. Next step is to grate our carrot, because we need the carrot juice for our ingredients. Carrot benefits include treating anti-aging, leaving your skin with a glow look, removing skin blemishes, increasing in blood circulation, giving you even skin tone. So carrot is also powerful in its way, giving you a smooth and radiant skin complexion. So I always advise you to sometimes take carrot juice because it's good at cleansing your body. Step is to sieve out the juice from our carrots. If you have a blender, I would advise you to blend fast, because now this is going to take forever for us to get the juice that we want. The next step, after peeling off our avocado cover, now we are going to mash our avocado, because we need that smooth texture. You can see now we've mashed our avocado, and this is the result. Get 2 teaspoons of your mashed avocado, add in 2 full spoons of your egg yolk, then add in 2 spoons of your carrot juice, then add in your lemon juice, then add in 1 teaspoon of honey, then start mixing the ingredients very well until you make a smooth, clear paste. So now it's ready. Before applying this face pack onto your skin, make sure that your skin is clean. Then you start applying it onto your skin in a circular motion. massage it for 1 minute, then let it sit onto your skin for 30 to 40 minutes. Then you wash it off with lukewarm water. And always don't forget to moisturize your skin. Thank you for watching. My new subscribers, I appreciate. Thank you. You're in the right place. Let's talk skin. Please don't forget to leave your skin problem under the comment section down below. I'll be replying instantly. Kindly, if you haven't watched some of my videos, kindly go into my playlist and watch my videos. Don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.